Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Twisted Ginger from Dandy's World. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off by drawing the shape of the head. Let's start on the left and let's draw a curve over to the right, and let's bring it up slightly higher. Now let's hop in on the right and let's draw a large oval for the eye. And then let's add another one inside in the center. And then a skinny oval inside this one. And color the ring in black. Now let's hop out and let's draw 2 eyelashes on the top corner here. And 2 on the bottom. And then on the left side, let's draw a curve down like this. And that's it for the eye. Now let's hop next to it on the left. Let's start a little bit higher here and let's draw a curve over. A bump down. Bring it out. And a curve down to close it off. Now from the top of the line, let's curve it down underneath. Add a bump. And a wavy line all the way over. And then let's color this part in black. Now let's hop inside, and at the bottom here, let's draw the mouth. Let's start with the curve up. Then from each end, let's curve it in. And a curve up to close it off. Now inside for the teeth, let's draw a zigzag line across. And lastly, for the face here, let's draw 2 circles on the left side and 1 more underneath. And color these in black. And that's it for the face. Now let's hop up to the top and let's start drawing the hair. Let's start on top on the right here and let's draw a curve over to the left. And a longer curve out to the right and up. Now on top, let's draw a bump up and bring it down on the left side. And close it off with a zigzag line. And then another larger wavy line to close off the right side. Now on the left here, let's draw a curve down. And then add 2 circles inside. And color these in black. And that's it for the head for now. Next we're going to move underneath and draw the body. Let's start underneath the head in the center and let's draw 2 bumps out like this. Then from each side, let's angle it down and out for the sides of the dress. And close it off with a curve across the bottom. Now let's hop inside and let's draw a stripe pattern by drawing 2 lines down in the center and 2 more out on each side. And that's it for the dress. Now let's hop out and draw the arms. Let's start on the left and let's draw 2 angles out. And angle them both down. And then close off the end with a point up and in. Now let's hop inside this arm and let's draw a wavy line across. And color this part in black. And then let's add a circle on top and color it in black as well. And that's it for the left arm. Now let's hop over to the right side. For this arm, let's draw an angle down and then angle it out. And another angle underneath. Now for the hand, we're going to draw a bump from the bottom and a larger curve to close off the hand. And that's it for the upper body. Now let's move underneath and draw the legs. Underneath the dress, let's draw a small curve across. Then underneath, let's draw 2 angles down and in. And 2 more on the outside. Now let's angle each of the lines back out. And then a curve in and back around for each foot. And then hop inside and let's draw a curve across at the bottom. Lastly, let's draw some curved stripes on each of the legs. And that's it for the body. Now let's hop back up and let's finish off the hair. Let's start on the right side and let's draw a long curve down and bring it into the hand. Now let's continue it by curving it out and back in towards the legs. Now at the bottom here, let's draw a wavy line down and up. And curve it up on top of the hand. And color this bottom section in black. And lastly, let's draw some small circles inside the top section like this. And color these all in black. And now we're going to hop up inside the bangs and let's draw 3 more black circles here. And color these in black as well. And that's it for Twisted Ginger. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!